Hello mga guys. Happy New Year to all of us. How are you? World. Kumusta kayong lahat sa buong mundo? Maligayang manibagong taon mga kababayan. Happy New Year to all of us. Ito yung sa akin so early. I'm cooking as early as I am. Kasi it's different in here. May naiba talaga sa bansang ito. Kailangan nating, hindi naman to compete. We need to moving forward. Hindi naman talaga ginawa ko for competition. Sabi ko lang sa asawa ko, this is my recipe for New Year, as simple as I am. Ito guys, Swedish yan. Swedish muffins, tapos Swedish cake. Yan, Swedish yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala, Swedish yan sa gitna. At saka Swedish din naman yung mga mga tanim, lucky plants. Kasi dito ko sila binili. I bought here that kind of plants, lucky plants. Kaso lang, ito talaga, yung pineapple talaga, pang Philippines talaga yan. Ay, iwan ko sa pumilo na yan. Basta, mixture talaga yung ginagawa ko. At saka, ito na lang din yung kay Mr. kay Mr. Norman Frank, yan na lang. Yung eggs, parang kay Mats. Nag-mixture na talaga lahat-lahat. Iwan ko ito. Basta, Happy New Year 2025 all of us. I'm thank God I have talents to cook and to interpret. I'm here in Sweden. Jag är här i Isberga. I cannot pronounce their language, but then got net or Sweden. Masaya ako sa mga ginagawa ko. I'm happy of what I'm doing today. Maaga pa naman here, but at least I have. Ito lang ang kaligayahan ko, yung mailuto ko yung sarili ko at to share with you. Guys, happy New Year all of us. Thank you.